So I'm here at 118, and they have this process where you have to come up in here and push the wire through all the way to the end. So we have a concept where you attach a piece of foam to the tip of the wire, and as you feed it, you take a shop vac, a pretty high powered one, and you just suck the tip through. We tested it on some scrap. It did work in literally seconds, but we do need a higher powered vacuum a little bit, and then we need to make it a little bit quicker to feed the rope or feed the wire and attach the foam. But anyone who's feeding wire, an electrician taught me this a long time ago. Pretty slick improvement that's literally no cost, and you eliminate the need to hang them, flip them over. You can literally lay it on the table and just suck it through over and over and over again. And eventually we can attach the vacuum on the table with the foot pedal, and it'll activate as you push the pedal, and we're done. Pretty easy process. So stay tuned as we look at improving this process even more.